Coronavirus. WHO declares coronavirus as pandemic. Myself, Dr. Maheshwari Sangolli, Senior Medical Officer from Healthville, going to give you some guidelines how to prevent coronavirus naturally. How is the coronavirus spreads? Coronavirus rarely found in humans, ideally found in animals, and then once it transfers to humans, then it transfers from human to human. It is transferred from when we sneeze, cough, and through human touch. How do we prevent coronavirus? By washing hands thoroughly with a hand wash and while using alcohol rubs. Whenever we cough, sneeze, and in crowded places, it's better we use mask and using handkerchiefs to prevent spreading the coronavirus through droplets when we sneeze and cough. It's better to avoid crowded places as much as possible, and let's go to the places whichever is important. Also, there are some of the naturopathic methods which we can use to improve our immunity so that we can prevent from coronavirus. How do we do that? There are some cleansing methods like Jalaniti, the Kunjal Kriya, Shanka Prakshalana, which will help us to gain more immunity while improving the immunity of our respiration and gastrointestinal system. So how do we do the Jalaniti? We use the warm saline water and cleanse our nasal system. And Kunjal Kriya is done by using salt water. We can also do salt water gargling, and Shanka Prakshalana, which is done by taking salt water and also doing some of the asanas. It's a precaution. It's better to do all these practices under a naturopathic physician's guidance. Also, there are some diet precautions, some dietary modifications which we can do to improve our system so that we can prevent coronavirus. The better immune boosting diet we can take while using amla. We can take lemon, ginger, tulsi, turmeric, and also along with taking antioxidant, we should also avoid some of the foods like anti-inflammatory foods like non-vegetarian foods, milk products, processed food, which will improve the inflammatory action in the body. So let's take antioxidant foods, let's maintain the personal hygiene, and let's do some of the cleansing process and avoid the coronavirus. Let's prevent it. Let's not panic about it. The coronavirus spreads. Its infection rate is high, but not the mortality. Let's not panic. Let's prevent it through naturopathy and yoga. Thank you.
डॉक्टर कंसल्टेशन ପାଇଁ ଯୋଗାଯୋଗ କରନ୍ତୁ 7008999277 ସୁସ୍ଥ ରହିବା ପାଇଁ ଆଜି ହିଁ ଭିଜିଟ୍ କରନ୍ତୁ ହେଲ୍ଥଭିଲେ।